Welcome back to the Universe of TechUp. In this tutorial, we will learn about DOM. What is DOM? Document Object Model in JavaScript. First, we need to learn what is DOM. The DOM is a blueprint of web page. Just as a blueprint shows the structure of a building. Just show the structure of building. The DOM represents the structure of a web page in a way that computers can understand. You have imagine like a family tree. The DOM to a family tree. Each elements like a headings, paragraphs, images is a member of the family and they are all connected in a hierarchy. This is what is DOM in real life. DOM is a blueprint of web page just as a blueprint shows the structure of a building. The DOM represents the structure of a web page in a way that computers can understand. This is what is DOM. Coming into the basic structure of DOM, I'm showing one example how DOM structures basic HTML elements and understanding the HTML structure. Like this is HTML tag. Next is the body tag. Inside the body tag, I need to print something H heading hello world something. I need to print. This is the next I'm taking one paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph, this is a paragraph. This is the structure of the DOM. This is the basic structure of the HTML DOM. H1 and P represents a part of the web page. We have the curiosity how we need to accessing the DOM, right? Selecting the elements. One introduce the elements to select a methods in DOM like document.get element by id. This is the selection element by its id. Next one is documents.query selectors open braces class. Select the first element with a specific class. This is the how to accessing the DOM. I'm showing one example how to select an element and change its content. I'm using a document dot get element by id. The id name is my element. The id name is my element dot inner text. Inner text equals to new text. I'm changing the content as new text. New text. This is how we need to select an element and change its content. Next, we need to learn about manipulating the DOM. This is all about introduction to the DOM. What is DOM? Is a DOM? DOM is a blueprint of web page. Next, we need to learn accessing the DOM. Next one is manipulating the DOM. How to change the text or HTML of an element. In this, we learn using a class, right? Document dot query selector. We need to select the class. Inside the query selector function, we need to add h1. We need to change the h1 content, right? Dot inner text equals to, like I'm saying, welcome. I'm writing welcome. This is our new text. This is how to change the text or HTML of an element. Next, adding a element. How to add the element. I'm showing one example to show how adding a elements in DOM. I can take keyword as const new paragraph. New paragraph equals to document dot create element inside this p. Next, new paragraph dot inner text equals to this is a new paragraph. This is a new paragraph. Next, document dot body dot append and child new paragraph. This is all about how to create and add a new elements in DOM. Next, how to removing the elements. Taking constant element constant element to remove equal to document dot get element by id my element to remove. I need to remove this id using a id, right? Element to remove. Next we coming into the last one is after that manipulating the DOM, the event handling. In the manipulating the DOM, we need to learn. We already learned adding elements and removing the elements and changing the content. In this manipulating the DOM, in accessing the DOM, we already learned selecting the how we need to select the elements by using a id or class element by its id or elements is by class particular class. Next one is event handling. First we need to learn what are events. The events are an action that happen in the browser, like clicking a button or moving the mouse. This is events, like adding a event listener, like button functionality like that, and showing how we using in this code. Like am I adding a event listener, the document dot get element by id, taking a button my button dot add event listener braces a one message alert the button was clicked. Is the alert message when we need to click the button, it shows the button was clicked. That's it. Next, I need to close this semicolon. This is how we need to how adding the event listener, like button, how adding the button in DOM. Next is all about DOM, document object model. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in this video. Thank you for watching.